O prophet, where is your voice? Has it been bought by money and fame? Or is this what Jesus sent you to do? Do you know men are depending on you? Do you know souls are dying because of you? Do you know someone's needing your prayers? Oh, awake and make Jesus proud. Oh, awake and make Jesus smile. In your territory, make Jesus smile. Over that sister's life, make Jesus smile. Over that brother's life, make Jesus proud.